If you accidentally sent a message on your iPhone and want to remove it from both sides, you can use the undo send feature in the Messages app. But before you start, keep in mind that both you and the other person need to be using iOS 26 or later. If the recipient is using an older version, they may still be able to see the message. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone and go to the conversation where you sent the message. Now, find the message you want to delete and tap and hold it. Normally, you would see the undo send option here. On my device, it doesn't appear because I'm using an older version of iOS 16. If you're using a newer version like iOS 26, you'll see the unsend option when you long press the message. Then just follow the on-screen steps. I'll show you a screenshot to make it easier. If you see the option on your screen, simply tap Undo Send, and the message will disappear from both sides of the chat. Also remember, this feature only works for a short time after sending the message, so you need to act quickly before the option disappears. And if the other person is using iOS 15 or older, they may still see the message even after you unsend it. That's it. This is the easiest way to unsend or remove messages on iPhone using iMessage. If this iPhone tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tricks.